magical natural Viagra. If you like to have long and fantastic erection, use these products. Bananas are fruits which are rich in vitamin B, which is the reason why they can give longer lasting and more enjoyable time in the bed, making us more energized and stress-free. There are certain types of foods which can significantly improve sexual arousal, so in this article we are going to present you which of them you should consume and which you should not, right before sex. In order to spice up your sex life, as well as improve your man's potency, you should try some of these aphrodisiacs before intercourse, and the results will surprise you for sure. There are different types of aphrodisiacs which can help you in improving your sex life, as well as your partner's endurance, but today, we are going to present you the most potent ones. There are foods which can enhance your pleasure, but there are also those foods which can ruin the moment, so you should be wary of the latter. In the lines below, there is a list of the so-called friends of erection and enemies of erection. Bananas. As we already mentioned, bananas are rich in vitamin B, which is the reason why they can enhance and improve your sex life. They will give you energy and will reduce stress as well. Aside from the B vitamin, bananas also contain number of other ingredients such as tryptophan, which actually increases the secretion of the hormone serotonin, then potassium, which is responsible for production of sex hormones, and at the end bromelain, which is a libido-boosting enzyme that also improves circulation. Celery. This one increases the production of androsterone pheromone, which is a natural aphrodisiac, commonly found in the sweat of men. It is also able to widen blood vessels, as well as increase sex drive by giving you an improved sexual experience, as well as more potent orgasm. Enemies of erection, orgasm. 1. Hot dogs. When you want to enjoy a night of fiery sex, you should be very careful and choose wisely what to eat for dinner. Sausages and hot dogs contain high levels of saturated fat, which can actually lead to clogged arteries, as well as poor blood circulation in the penis. You probably would not like this to happen when you are planning a steaming night with your partner. Also, hot dogs contain the lowest grade meat, which can actually cause an inflammation and hormonal imbalance as well. Buttercup chips. Those things that are delicious are usually bad for our health, and it is always like that. When you are expecting a wild night in your bedroom, the best thing for you will be to leave the buttercup chips for the next day, as they can ruin your potency. This happens because they contain high levels of fat which can impact circulation and testosterone in a negative way. The salt that it contains can also cause high blood pressure, as well as erectile dysfunction, swelling and gases. Pumpkin and sunflower seeds. These seeds are rich in zinc, which is actually responsible for the quality of the sperm and testosterone as well, and they also contain high levels of healthy fats which are beneficial for the intimate health. Snacks and sweets. When you feel hungry just before sex, you should forget about candy bars and chocolate as well, as they will increase the blood sugar levels instantly, but only after a short period. You will experience a sugar crash and feel the hungrier than ever before. Better solution for your hunger will be eating nuts or some veggies, and you will be ready for action.